Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And first of all, wish you all a very happy, prosperous, and safe New Year 2021. And I hope everyone is safe and keeping well. And thank you, ETEnergyworld, for giving me this opportunity. And I'm really privileged and honored to be part of this August gathering of industry experts. Let me give my perspective today on carbon neutral future is electric. In around 30 years from now, so we are not talking very long term, we're just talking about 3 decades from now, we will be sharing our planet with 2.5 billion more people. Together, we will be living longer, eating more, producing more, traveling more, and demanding more than double the energy that is needed today. India is likely to lead global energy demand over the next decade. This increase, however, should not come at the cost of the planet or most vulnerable section of the society. At Hitachi ABB Power Grids, we believe that our future world must be a sustainable world. We are committed to the long-term sustainability of our society and planet, driving actions across the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. All of us probably realize that over the coming years, the energy sector could be a major driving force for economic growth. However, a rising population, rapid urbanization, and climate change will be putting ever more pressure on our planet. Achieving a circular economy which can limit global warming to 1.5 degrees centigrade will be crucial. Our efforts in the direction will be imposing on the three buckets. The first one, accelerated shift from fossil-based power production towards renewable-based generation. Second one is the growing electrification of transportation, of industry and buildings. And the third one is rise in sustainable energy carriers. Example could be a green hydrogen. And we all know that electricity demand will be more than double in the next 30 years. And electrification improves energy efficiency. All market sectors are converting towards electrification. The unprecedented 2020 pandemic economic crisis have given India, just as other nations and governments, the impetus to accelerate investment and action plans to deliver the energy transitions. India, we all know that revised our renewable energy target to 2020 gigawatt from its 175 gigawatt by 2022. However, the road to decarbonization everywhere is built on much more electrification. It is the most reliable route to achieve carbon neutrality. In that direction, a reliable, sustainable, and flexible grid is the logical first step. India's electricity demand could potentially triple by 2040. All market sectors, right from the manufacturing to services, will come to rely heavily on the grid. To ensure quality power for all, we need to build capacity, flexibility, and resilience in our power infrastructure to integrate increasing amount of intermittent renewables and distributed energy and address new supply and demand challenges. We have to make the grid stronger, smarter, and greener. We have to leverage all forms of technology from interconnections and backbone transmission to grid edge, from storage to power quality, with digitalization across the value chain and collaboration across all the stakeholders of the entire energy value chain. The good part is that the technologies are available and affordable. We must therefore adapt and adopt policies and regulations that enable the deployment of technology and facilitate innovation and new business model to support secure, sustainable, and scalable energy future. At Hitachi ABB Power Grids, we believe the carbon neutral future is electric and see ourselves playing a leading role in driving the energy transition. We are a pioneering global technology leader. We are the number one in terms of a portfolio, footprint, and install base, spread over 90 countries with 36,000 employees, ranging from sales, field engineers, to scientists and R&D. We are making the change happen as we speak. In India, our 16 manufacturing units in 5 key locations are serving 1,000 customers across utilities, industries, transport, and infrastructure as a reliable partner to advance the ongoing energy transition. We care about social value, reliable and affordable energy. We care about environmental value, sustainable development. We care about optimization. We care about economic value, cost optimization, and effectiveness. Through our digital and energy platform, we offer intelligent solutions to our customers and partners for a sustainable energy future and contribute better to sustainable development goals of UN. Let me give you 2 examples. From energizing over a distance of 1,800 kilometers long from Raigad to Pugalur, the ultra high voltage DC link that can bring power to 80 million people, to advancing the governments of India's mission to make India railways a net zero carbon emitter by the end of the decade through 100% rail electrification. The energy transition is a fundamental to our journey towards carbon neutral future. We believe in simplifying the energy production, transmission, and distribution processes by delivering detailed asset performance for a real-time insights. By our coupling of big data and artificial intelligence capabilities with OT and IT solutions, our intelligent solutions forecast the likelihood of potential failures and indicate corrective maintenance activities to mitigate the risk. Inform network managers about short-term loading levels on stressed power assets, automatically recommend ways to reconfigure the network to fix the situation and ensure uninterrupted energy delivery to the grid's users. This is how we deliver on the promise of digitalization, solutions that make a difference on a daily basis in every level of the enterprise. Let me give you the last example of my presentation, how we are making e-mobility smarter. We are also bringing the future of electrified transportation today through our flash and fleet charging technologies. We call it the grid emotion portfolio, and through our digital enterprise and SCADA. These solutions bring with them a treasure trove of data ranging from traffic and weather to dispatch schedule, fleet routing, vehicle battery, enabling smart mobility. Bringing together the world's leading energy and digital platforms across utilities, industry, mobility, smart cities, and IT. Our mission is to power good for a sustainable energy future with the pioneering and digital technologies as the partner of choice for our customers across utilities, industries, infrastructure, and transport, enabling a stronger, smarter, and greener grid. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a really pleasure to part of this great gathering, and we strongly believe is carbon neutral future indeed is electric, and electricity shall be the backbone of the entire energy system. With this, thank you for your attention.